Bro, what about this? Pretty cool, right?
I think I'll go with this instead.
Alright, shall we?
Huh?
Hey, don't. This time you drive, okay? Let's go, come on.
Oh, I'm lazy lah. You drive, okay?
Don't give excuse. This time you drive. Let's go.
I drove last night, so it's your turn now.
Wait, that is the only time you drive.
Hello, ex.
You don't better many.
No, I don't want. It's your
drive.
turn. No.
Hey, don't drive lah! Walk lah!
Why the hassle? Just use OPPO2U, a premium service that allows you to place an order at our official website and have it delivered to your doorstep. You can now shop at OPPO safely from the comfort of your own home.
Wow!
You'll also receive a complimentary sanitizer kit.
But I'm not quite sure how to use the new features.
Don't worry, OPPO2U is here to help. If you ever need one-to-one guidance, we're more than happy to assist you. We'll also ensure that your device pairing is successful when setting up your Bluetooth connection. Besides that, we can help you transfer your files from your old phone to your new phone. Our goal is to provide premium services no matter where you are. With OPPO2U, all you need to do is place an order on our official website and we'll deliver to your doorstep. It's applicable to all OPPO products. And for Find X3 Pro users, you can enjoy these premium services. And last but not least, we have a special service for you as well. Planning to send an OPPO device as a gift? You can enjoy our gift wrapping services available at My OPPO Space. At OPPO, we go beyond expectations so you can enjoy our premium service.